How to promote Clickbank products and make money. Have you been wanting to promote Clickbank products? Have you been wanting to sell products from Clickbank and make a ton of money? Well, this is the video for you, because guess what? I've done that and I'm about to share it with you right now. Hey, thanks so much for joining me on my channel and clicking on this video. You obviously have interest in Clickbank, and I obviously have some experience, which I'm going to prove to you in just a second. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. You want to click that subscribe button down there. It's red now. You want to turn it gray. That's the color it turns. Click it real quick, you'll see what I mean. Click it, see how it turned gray? And then look, there's a bell next to it now. You want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications. That way you're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video and I go live. Okay, so that's something you want to do. Now we're going to talk about Clickbank today. Before we do, I have a course down there. I want you to check it out. It's normally 97 bucks, but you can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click on the link and learn. It's 100% free. Now we're going to talk about Clickbank today, but before I say a word about Clickbank, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something that's super important. Lean in here. Come here. Let me tell you something. Learn from somebody who has already done what you want to do. Okay, so you're about to listen to me about Clickbank. You clicked on this video, but do I know anything about Clickbank? Hang on one second. This, my friend, is my Clickbank plaque. This here makes me a platinum member of Clickbank. So I just wanted to share that with you real quick, because so often people get advice from people, hang on, and they don't even know what they're talking about. So now that I've established that, okay, I'm a platinum member at Clickbank, I've sold a bunch of stuff there, then you can listen to me and know what I'm telling you actually works. Now I've been selling online since 2009. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products, and on this channel all I do is share that stuff with you guys. All you got to do is take it and run with it, and you can get some really fantastic results too. Let's get started on this Clickbank thing. I think the best thing I could do is actually go to Clickbank and walk you through all that. Okay, does that work for you? Nod your head. Yes. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I'm over at Clickbank right now, and it's got a nice clean screen like this, which I really like. They've revamped their website and made it look a lot better. However, when you get into the marketplace, it looks entirely different from this. Now this is really the main screen is really set up for people who want to get some information about Clickbank, or they want to buy some courses. If you look up at the top here, it says shop. These are different courses you could buy, so they've thrown some categories in there, but they've got, of course, much more than that. They've got a promote tab here. They got a sell tab here, which is going to take you into the part I'm going to take you into in just a second. They've got a learn tab here, and they've got a support. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and log in. Now once you've logged in, you're going to come to this screen here now, and it's going to have your sales snapshot and all that good stuff there. But what you want to do is you want to go up to marketplace and click right here, because this is the area where you're going to promote a course. Now if you notice, this screen looks a lot different. I wish they would make it like that new screen they have when you come to Clickbank, but unfortunately this is the old one that's been here years and years. But I want to show you around here a little bit. You've got your dashboard here, you've got your reporting, your account settings, your vendor settings, your resources. None of this is going to matter a whole lot until you pick something that you want to promote. Now keep in mind, there's several ways to pick things you want to promote. You know, maybe it's an interest you have. Maybe you've heard that a certain area makes a lot of money. Whatever it is, you know, pick your area. It doesn't matter. What you want to do is come over here to categories, and you're going to see all these categories here. And you say, well, that's not that many categories. But when you click on one of these, it breaks it down to even more categories. So when I'm in arts and entertainment, I could look at architecture, art, body art, dance, fashion, film and television, general humor, magic tricks, music, photography, radio, or theater. So there's a whole bunch there. I think what we're going to do is go to business and investing. That's where I, spend most of my time anyhow. You've got careers, industries, commodities, debt, derivatives, economics, equities and stocks, foreign exchange, general, international business, management, leadership, marketing and sales, outsourcing, personal finance, real estate, and small business. Now what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go up to marketing and sales. Now, when you click on one of these tabs, you're going to notice that the center area gets populated. What this is these are actual courses that are offered that you can sell. Okay, now I'm going to go through some of these numbers and I'm going to share with you some things that I've learned over the years. And what I'll do is I'll upsize this a little bit here so you can kind of see it a little bit better. There we go. Now you can search the results here by popularity, average sale, initial sale, average percent sale, average rebill sale, average percent rebill. The one I like the best is right here, gravity. Now the way this has been explained to me is that gravity is the number of people, affiliates that sell this course on a daily basis, monthly basis. Now I've heard different things as to that, you know, which is true, if it's daily or monthly. If you notice, the gravity on these are not very good. This one's 2.5. So what we're going to do, instead of going into business here, I just want to show you how that worked, and there's some other filters I'm going to go over in a second. I want to go back over here and I want to go to the marketplace, and I'm going to pick something that I know has a lot of gravity. And where is that here? Let me see here. Health and fitness, there it is. And we're going to go with exercise and fitness, okay? Because that is a huge category, huge. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go ahead and do our sort again, and we're going to do it by gravity. Now, if you notice, all of a sudden these gravities are huge. This one here is 95.5. So that is saying that on a monthly basis, 95 affiliates sell this particular offer. Now that doesn't say there's 95 sales, it says 95 affiliates. So one affiliate could sell this thing 100 times or 1,000 times. So there's a lot of money being made here. Now the first one we're looking at here is unlock your hip flexors revamp for 2020. You know, I've recently actually gotten into this hip flexor thing. Basically your psoas muscle and how it affects your body. And when you get to this course here, if you click here, you're going to see what the actual sales offer is. So let's do that real quick. This is the sales offer here. It says the hidden survival muscle in your body missed by modern physicians that keep millions of men and women defeated by pain, frustrated with belly fat, and struggling to feel energized every day. Okay, eliminates joint and back pain. Talks about all the benefits right here. And they're selling you something for $75. Now I happen to have noticed, let's go over here real quick, that the average sale is 75 bucks. So obviously there's an upsell, and I don't want to buy this right now, but this is the psoas muscle right here, hip flexors. And this is the thing that controls your hips here. And if this gets shortened, you can have real health problems. I know this to be a fact. I've listened to David Goggins. He's very into this. If you don't know David Goggins, search that name. He's amazing. But it gives you all the things in here and all the information on it. It's a pretty good sales page. Now this sales page is one that you will be able to use. You're going to create your own link to this sales page right here, and you're going to be able to sell this product. They've done all the work for you. And that's the beauty of being an affiliate, is that you don't have to come up with these sales pages. They've already done something they know works. So I'm going to, let's just scroll through here. There's all kinds of stuff on this page. All kinds of stuff. And they got some pictures in here of the course. They've got some inflammatory stuff, your waist, more pictures, more stock photos. Okay, so that is their sales page. They've got a 60-day risk-free guarantee. And this is important too. When you're thinking about doing an offer, make sure they have some type of guarantee. It says everyone suffers from tight hip flexors, which means everyone can benefit. Let's see, for the next 60 days, try using these simple techniques by Rick, either on their own or incorporate into your daily workout. I'm confident you'll be delighted with the results, but if you're not, simply email us and ask for a prompt and hassle-free refund. No questions asked, 100% refund. That's pretty good. Let's see here. I'm going to go down a little bit further. And I'm just going to look at all this. Okay, regular price is 50 bucks, but you're going to get that. You've also qualified for $40 off. Look at that. So today's price is $10. And then you've got your discounted price here. But if you want the super duper one here, the physical book and DVD shipped, it's $15.
I don't know why anybody wants a physical book anymore or DVD. I don't even have a place to stick a DVD anymore. So I'm going to look through here a little bit more, and they're going to give you so many chances to click on this. Okay, so I'm going to look at their actual checkout page, and I'm going to do the buy now one, and it is giving me the $15 one. I don't want the $15 one, so let me look back here a little bit. Maybe there's a way of getting the $10 one. Yeah, this is the one I want right here, the $10 one. Okay, there we go, because I don't want to pay for shipping. Shipping was $8. They're making some money on that. And then this is the checkout page. Now this is a standard Clickbank checkout page right here. Okay, so we know what it looks like to sell it to the customer. What about the affiliate tools do they have? So we can go to this link here and click for affiliate tools. Now this page here is just for affiliates. These are the things, you know, they're telling you. Your commission rate is 75%, average sales $31. One-click upsells, yes. Recurring billing, no. Quick affiliate link is right here. So here's what we're going to do. We would put our Clickbank ID here, and once we put our Clickbank ID here and we use the rest of this, every time we use that link and we send somebody to that page and they buy, we get paid. So that's pretty cool stuff here. And then they're showing some more average sales right here and their percent payout. And they've got even more here on this upsell. And this one here is $110, and it's a one-click upsell, no reoccurring. So they've got all kinds of stuff in here that people could buy. Now this is a reoccurring billing here. It's $47 every month. So this is another one right here that you could use, another link. So yeah, they've done a lot of work on this, guys. This is all the tools that you'll have. Let's scroll up to the top real quick, and this is their actual sales page. Let me go back down here again and see how they end this thing. Okay, so there's an affiliate promo schedule here if you want to get involved in that. And they say this is coming soon. Quick affiliate link right here for each one of these. So that's that. Now let's go back. I want to look at a couple other things on this offer. So they give you a little synopsis here, but here's the interesting things that really gives you, I think it's pretty cool. It says here the initial sale is usually $39.41. So that's what the initial sale is. The average percent sale is 86%. Average rebill total is 0 right now. I don't know why that would be, but it is. Average percent rebill is 13%. The gravity is 84.34. So that's a lot of people selling that particular offer. Here's another offer down here, which this is kind of interesting, that this is the #1 offer, back to life, new VSL for 2020. Unlock your hip flexors is right here. Feel good knees for fast pain relief. You can kind of see what everybody's trying to work on. Lean body fat right here. So these are some of the offers. This is how you're going to search this. There's some other things over here, like if you wanted to pick a particular gravity, average sale, initial sale, average rebill. I don't know why you'd want to do this over here, but you could really drill down if you wanted when it was added to the marketplace, time frame, all that stuff. You know, you could do all that. Attributes, if it's got shippable media, pitch plus. I don't really care about any of this stuff here. Now, if you were French or Spanish or German, yeah, maybe you'd want it in that language. That would make sense to me. Required billing types, one time, recurring, $1 trial. I don't know why you'd care. You know, all you're really going to care about is, does this thing work, and are people making money promoting it? That's you know, pretty much it for me. I mean, once I've hit those two things, that's all that matters for me. So that's pretty much all you need to do to, you know, promote something in the marketplace. You are going to have to go, and let's go back over here real quick. That's the checkout page. Let's go here real quick and understand that you're going to have to sign up for Clickbank. Okay, that is something that's going to be required. So, you know, if you're not signed up for Clickbank, you're going to need to go here and, you know, let's say I want to promote, you're going to have to click here and you're going to have to join Clickbank right here, which is pretty simple to do. You'll put all your information in here. Easy stuff to do. Anybody can do that. So that's an overview. Anybody can be an affiliate. Anybody can get access to these really high selling items on Clickbank, and you can make a ton of money. Now that you've seen how it's done, guys, you can go in there, you can look up a product, you can decide if it's a good product.
I chose Clickbank because I like it. I have products on it. I've been successful with Clickbank, so I wanted you guys to know that you can do this stuff. Okay, this doesn't cost you money to do this. You get a free account in Clickbank. It's really that simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Now if you feel like you got some value out of this, hey, do me a favor, shoot me a thumbs up. Okay, if you've got questions about Clickbank or anything to do with Clickbank, put that in the comments below. If you're using other affiliate networks and you think they're good, put that in the comments below too. I want to see that. I really do. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do hit that subscribe button right there, and don't forget, ring the bell. You got to turn on all bell notifications. You got to. Why would you do that? Because you'll be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do one of these videos or I go live. Thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to grab that free course that's down there. It's a $97 course, limited time. You can have it for free. It's Click and Learn. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.